How to create YouTube thumbnails using Adobe Firefly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we in this home section. Here you can find different tools that are available. Here simply tap on generate. So this is the place where you can enter the prompt and generate different images and videos. Here on the bottom, tap on this prompt box. Now enter the prompt or the thumbnail that you want to create for your YouTube. So here I'm entering one. Now here on the bottom, tap on aspect ratio. Now make sure that the aspect ratio is 16:9 because it's the basic ratio for YouTube. At last, tap on the stick button and hit on generate. Now it will automatically generate the thumbnail and you can easily use it for your YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.